everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send money from TapTap Send to bKash using an app. Let's get started. First, open the TapTap Send app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, choose the country you are sending money to. You will see the exchange rates and fees clearly before continuing. After that, tap Next. Then tap Add Recipient. Choose bKash as the receiving method. Enter the recipient full name and bKash mobile number carefully. Make sure the number is correct and active. Type the amount of money you want to send. The app will show how much the recipient will receive in Bangladeshi Taka. Select a payment method, debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Check all details on the screen. Tap Send to confirm. You will see a confirmation message when the transfer is successful. In most cases, the money arrives within minutes. The receiver can open their bKash app and see the money in their wallet. And that's it. Sending money from TapTap Send to bKash on an iPhone is fast, safe, and simple. Just double check the bKash number before sending. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.